and on and placed a signet, I guess that's how you say it, a case on the iPhone SE. It's black, as you can probably see. It has a really cool glass finish on the back, but as you can see, the case doesn't really do a good job hiding my fingerprints, which is not really that noticeable in person. It's just on camera because I'm shining a light, and it's pretty cool. The display and the size, however, it's pretty good. So this is the iPhone XS, right? And like when you compare the two, that's only a little bit bigger. But I will say the display of this is much larger than this. But I guess this does a really, really good job of being a nice phone. Like, as you can see, like compared with my hand, literally smaller than my hand. It's pretty cool, I guess. And playing a game. Now we're going to talk about the iPhone SE specs and getting into that spec area for some of you people who really care about specs for the iPhone SE. So it comes in black, white, and product red. The capacity ranges, so the iPhone SE that I displayed has 256GB of memory, as I'm going to use it longer. You could also go with 64GB and 128GB. 128, I think you should go for 128 because that's pretty reasonable. 64GB is a bit too less sometimes, but it depends how much you're going to use it for. So the iPhone SE weighs 148 grams, or the other people in the world, 5.22 ounces. The display is 4.7 inch diagonally from the screen, so that's only the screen area, which is only a bit shorter than the iPhone 11. Now, this is a big hype about the iPhone SE, that it has the A13 Bionic chip, which is the new chip that you also find in the iPhone 11, which is pretty cool, I guess, because even the iPad Pro that my brother uses doesn't have a A13 chip. The iPhone SE is also splash, water, and dust resistance. Up a maximum depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes under IEC standards. Alright, now I'm going to talk about the video recording specs for the iPhone SE. It can record at 4K, which is pretty cool. I think most of the Apple products can shoot at 4K, even though they have a 1080p display. And it can, for slow motion, go to 200, I think it's 240 FPS, because I do a lot of slow motion with my cameras, so I know. The other thing is it has Touch ID, which is really cool, depending on your thing. If you really want to move on to Samsung, to Apple, this is what you should be looking at, Face ID and Touch ID, as it really makes your life easier. The battery lasts up to 13 hours, I think that's enough for a teenager, because this is one of the most popular phones right now going for teenagers, so if you're an adult, I recommend buying it. I mean, I'm a kid, so. And that will be it for today's video, and thanks for watching.